Welcome back, everybody. So I did recipes for roasted chicken and stretchy cheese that I use to wrap around Korean fried chicken. And I had leftovers for the stretchy cheese and the roasted chicken. I am making flautas or taquitos using leftovers. So today I basically raided my refrigerator for leftovers. So here is this stretchy cheese that I had left over from a Korean fried chicken and stretchy cheese video recently. And this is basically cheese mixed in with some potato. I have some leftover salsa from, I'm gonna be honest, I don't remember when I made it, but it's still good. It was in the back of the fridge. And this is leftover chicken with vegetables. I just made this. And what I'm going to do is, actually, the vegetables we're definitely going to eat. I'll probably warm those up for the side. But I'm going to shred the rest of this chicken, and I'm going to be filling some taquitos with this potato cheese mixture and some chicken. So here's the chicken. I went ahead and took it off the bones and used my kitchen shears to kind of cut it into smaller pieces. So here's that big glob of like potato stretchy cheese. So what I'm going to do, grate it. And this will sort of disperse it throughout the chicken. So to prep tortillas, I am just putting them in this microwave safe bowl and putting oil on one side of the tortilla and just repeating the process until they all have just a brushing of oil, a light brushing of oil on them. And then you take and just, there you go. And then I'm going to cover this with cling film and microwave it for about a minute until they are heated through and softened. This will make it a lot easier to roll the taquitos or your flautas, whatever you call them. So here are the warmed, softened tortillas that from the microwave. They're hot, actually. So now I'm going to start rolling these out. And my son has a piano lesson right now, so that's why you hear the piano. Okay, so things started to get really loud with the piano lesson, so I'm going to narrate. So here I am creating a cornstarch paste, and I sort of eyeballed it, but basically you want to add like 3 tablespoons of water, 2 heaping tablespoons of cornstarch, and you sort of add it until it creates a thick paste. And this is what's going to glue these taquitos together without using toothpicks. So I'm adding my potato cheese chicken filling. I'm going to give it a tight roll, and you can pull back on the corn tortilla gently just to make sure it stays tight. And then you're going to add your cornstarch paste on the end, and then continue the roll. Just go ahead and finish the roll out, and then there you go. These are ready. So here are all my flautas. I managed to get 24, so now I'm going to start to fry them. These are golden brown deliciousness, if you ask me. So I'm going to show you a plate, and it's really easy. If you guys have seen my flautas videos before, I pretty much do the same thing. But this is really a good way to reuse leftovers. That's kind of what I'm doing today. It's a fridge raid and using leftovers to recreate a meal. Okay, so what I like to do is just put maybe 4 to 5 flautas. I think 4 will fit comfortably on this small plate. Then I'm going to dress it with my lettuce, some tomato. I'm gonna go in with my salsa, and I just warmed this up in the microwave to take the chill off. There we go. And then I'm going in with some Mexican crema. This is Mexican style table cream, and that's it. And that is lunch, and I made 20 to 24, I believe, 24, so we'll have this for lunch and they can munch on it for dinner. But that's that. Recreated leftovers into another meal. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.